Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you are watching the Post Market Show. So today, what a rally! And not just today, from Thursday onwards, markets are moving up and up and up, and it was all because of U.S. markets, which had a fantastic rally last week. Dow Jones up by almost 5%, Nasdaq rallied by 6-7%. So that kind of positivity has spilled over, and from our markets, going close to 18,800, 900 just a few days back, it is again closed above 90,400. That is something great, I would say. And every day, if you see, the markets have been moving with a gap up, and it's a doji candle forming on the daily charts. But what is important is 19,230 is a level that was marked, and on Friday, markets closed exactly at that level. And today, markets opened above that level and closed higher, and that is something uh, positive and something to something positive to look out for in the near future. Maybe the markets will rally from here. So that is what is expected. And let's look into the charts and see. So this is the 15-minute chart I have for Nifty, and you can see over here we have the Nifty's movement. It opened around 19,330. Yeah, it opened with a gap up. Then it tried to move up. Then it came down. But you can see this 19334 level acting as a good support. Then finally markets moved up throughout the day after 11:30 and closed somewhere around the highs. That is a good sign. Nifty up above by almost 0.94%, close to 1% in the green. That is good, fantastic. And coming to Bank Nifty, 0.7% up. Bank Nifty more than 300 points up, but it did not break the day's high. The day's opening, but Nifty did, so that is indicating Nifty is more bullish. Talking about mid caps and small caps, all of them have moved up today. Mid caps up by 0.88%, small caps moving even further up, 1.07% up, which is the small caps. So yeah, everything, it's a broad-based rally today, but only one sector has ended in the red. That is PSU Bank Index 1%, 1.09% in the red. So yeah, that is that. But rest all sectors have moved up. And talking about sectors which are above 1%, we have energy up by 1.3%, pharmaceutical index up by 1.28%, metals up by 1.38%, 36%, and rest all between 0 and 1%. If you look at index movers as well, almost all Nifty 50 stocks have closed in the green, excepting for us to talk like State Bank of India. People were expecting better results, but that did not happen. So State Bank of India has fallen, along with Hindustan Unilever, Titan, Tata Motors, Cipla, and the heavyweights are all in the green. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Reliance, Axis Bank, Infosys, all of these are in the green, and hence Nifty is up. But FIIs continue their selling streak, selling for 550 crores today. DII is buying for 595 crores. So that was kind of neutral. And we'll come to open interest a bit later. Let's look at any economic data that is important that was announced today. No, nothing is that important, but let's look at tomorrow if there is anything important coming out. No, that is nothing is there. Okay, so now moving on to the US markets. US markets are now open at 8 o'clock because of the daylight savings. And yes, US markets are once again up by 0.22%, but it hasn't broken the Friday's high yet. That is S&P 500. You can see the beautiful rally happening. If you look at the percentage rise, S&P 500 up by 6.5% in a matter of just a few days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Yeah, today is the 6th day, and it is still up. Dow Jones also moving up. Still hasn't broken the Friday's high, but it's still up by 0.14%. Nasdaq has broken the Friday's high, looks bullish, 0.4% up. So US markets are moving higher, but you can see it's a downward trend line forming in the Nasdaq daily charts. So yeah, this is going to be interesting how the market reacts around these levels, because it could be that market can fall from here, taking a resistance and falling. But if it breaks from here, that is well and good. Further rally is expected. Come to the global markets. Obviously, since US markets are doing well, they ended well in the previous week. So markets are overall fine. UK markets are 0.3% in the green, but France and Germany markets, so they are slightly in the red, 0.4 and 0.2 percentage respectively. So they are slightly in the red, and the rest Asian markets are all up, with South Korean markets rising by almost 5.66 percentage. So this is interesting. And what else? All Asian markets are up. Nikkei up by 2.37 percentage. Hong Kong up by 1.7 percentage, and Chinese markets are just up by 0.14 percentage. So this is the situation. Everything is well in the green. I mean, excepting for the German and French markets, everything are looking bullish. Gold prices are falling because equity markets have moved up significantly. So gold prices haven't. They did cross 2,000 dollars, but it's back to $1982, 0.5 percentage down for the day. And if you look at crude oil prices, they are again way below the previous levels. It's around 81.5, and it's stabilizing there for the last few days, so nothing much to look at. Aluminum prices have moved up 1.7 percentage, iron 0.36 percentage down, copper 0.7 percentage up, zinc 0.71 percentage up. So metal prices are doing fine, I would say. And talking about DXY, 104.98 is the level of DXY, and you see a beautiful downfall happening in the dollar index. Dollar index down means usually equity markets are up, and that is what is happening. So good to have a dollar index which is moving down. Indian rupee has it has remained stable, I would say. Did gain a little bit, but it's insignificant. 83.16 against USD. Against euro and a pound, Indian rupee has depreciated, in fact, for the last couple of days, as you can see. Indian rupees back to 89.4. It was around 87 once, but it's back to those high levels now. And yeah, let's see how it performs. But against dollar, it is kind of stable. Now looking into open interest, and also tomorrow is the Fin Nifty expiry, so we have to look at that as well. So Fin Nifty, let's pull up the charts of Nifty Financial Services. Yeah, this is Fin Nifty. So tomorrow expiry day. Let's look at the levels that we can expect. Obviously 19,494 or 19,500, let's say, is going to be a support. Upside 19,632 and 19,816 are the levels to watch out for. Down below 19,500 is a support, and then 19,350 is a good support. In between, you can mark today's low as a intermediate support as well, in case the markets are falling. So looking at the trend, it should be a gap up opening as of now. It could be flat as well, depending on how US markets close. So based on that, it looks like markets, after opening gap up, there could be a sell-off happening in the first 10-15 minutes, and then if the day's high is broken, then we can expect a good rally happening in Nifty Financial Services. So keep an eye out for that as well. Rest, if you look at it, it looks, obviously it's in a bullish phase, and it's if you draw a trend line as well, you can see it has been moving up by respecting this trend line. So let's see how long this trend line continues. And open interest wise, let's look at that as well. Fin Nifty open interest indicates bullishness. Put call ratio is at 1.11, so that indicates more put are sold. That means people are bullish. With VC calls, the highest amount of calls are written at 19,600, with lots of puts have been written at 19,400, but a lot of puts have been added intraday as well today. So people are expecting a slightly bullish expiry. Nifty put call ratio remains at 1.09, almost neutral, we can say, and Bank Nifty put call ratio is at 1.11, so same as your Fin Nifty. So yeah, everything is mildly bullish right now. Bank Nifty 8th of November expiry, that is day after tomorrow. 43,500 straddle has a lot of straddle build up, I would say, and intraday people have sold a lot of put options at 43, 400, 500 and 600 levels. A lot of call unwinding has also happened. So yes, the markets, the way it was moving up, people must have a huge short covering. Yes, even in Nifty, as you can see, a lot of people who sold call options at 19,200, to 19,350, they had to unwind their positions and instead sell put options at 19,300, 350, 400. So that could have led to the rally as well. So that is the situation. So India VIX, let's look at it, how it is performing right now. India VIX is up by 2% today, possibly because of the markets moving up one side and the call sellers must have faced a lot of trouble. So India VIX up by 2%. US VIX is up 1% right now, but it's you can see US VIX crashing from 23 levels to 15 in just a matter of a week, I would say. So you're almost down by 32% down in US VIX. So things are looking good right now, and GIFT Nifty is already indicated 19,500 right now. So let's see where the markets open. Definitely it's likely to be a gap up tomorrow, and from there the levels to watch out in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty is definitely 19,447. The same levels which we had marked previously as well will hold true today as well. So let's look at them. So Nifty, the levels to watch out for are 19,447, 523, 566 on the upside, 19,334, 19,233 as a good support, and Bank Nifty has supports. Bank Nifty has supports at 43,471, good support. Upside 43,740 is going to be a good resistance level. Let's see how the market reacts. If that is broken, we can expect markets to move slowly up towards 44,150. That is going to be a resistance. 43,470 is a very good support, and hopefully it will be held the way markets have moved. So yeah, looking at everything, it's likely to be a gap up opening if the US markets end in positive, but overall sentiments are good. The Diwali is due. People, it's starting of the month, people are putting in a lot of money into investments, and so the money is flowing in, and things are looking good as expected. That we're expecting November month to be starting at least to be bullish, and that has been working out just fine with global markets supporting as well. So but what is concerning is US markets, the way it has rallied up, there could be a correction any day now, and how much that affects the Indian market is to be seen. And yeah, that is the situation right now. Overall, things are looking bullish as long as Nifty is up above 19,230 levels. So that is all from my side. Thank you for watching and have a very good night.